Swordspine mission number 375005. Today we got, hey, wait. We got this guy with us.
I'm the worst on a kayak.
It's Zane.
I'm the worst on a kayak.
Yeah, just stay away from me. So we're at a new spot today I've never fished. New Swordspine spot. So we're trying new things today. We're going super small. We're throwing like 1 inch and ½ inch lures. Crazy stuff. We got everything we need like always. We're going until sunset at least. So we've got crazy spots to explore, some backwater. We're going into like these little creeks in the saltwater river, and there's like some ponds back there and stuff too. So really skinny, small water, and it's gonna be insane. So ready for an adventure, guys. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoy. Let's do it, Zane. So we just gotta pass this little bridge over here, go through the intercoastal waterway on a busy day. It's not too hot today. It was starting to get really hot, but today we caught a break, and we got some decent weather. It's like high of 81 or something, which is actually not bad at all. Oh, and a little breeze too. Sweet. Seems like it's gonna be a little windy, but where we're going, it shouldn't be a problem. We just need to get through the freaking ICW and not get blown over or run over. Let's do it. First little snook of the day, let's see him. Oh, it's a little deeper here too, and boom, you hit a snook right at the deep, in the shade, at the deep spot. Let me see him. Nice, dude, little snooky. That could have been it. We need like 50 more of those and maybe we'll get lucky. What? He frayed it? Jeez, dude. That's insane. 2 seconds, yeah. A little baby snook. You gotta retie.
Dragging me up? Or gonna get on?
Yeah, I was just getting on land. All right, commence phase 2. Thanks. All right, we have a little bit to go. All right, guys, we made it to the secret pond in the woods. Who knows what's gonna happen? We got the weedless rigs and a little micro Z Viber from Eurotack, a little tiny hard bait. We got some bridge pilings and surrounded by mangroves. So, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Wish us luck. Fish on, baby.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a mangrove. First fish of the day. Oh, mangrove snapper. Chicken and noodles.
I don't know, maybe.
I'm so hungry, bro. Fish on. Oh, lifer.
Like a look down?
Yeah. New species. I actually caught it on video too. Hurry up. Hurry up. Fishing all day, got a lifer moonfish. Hey, whatever. I ain't mad. It's cool. He was a little guy. It was so cute. Yeah, it's a good one too. It's not fighting like a snook though. It's like a grouper. It's fighting like a grouper or something. It's a snook.
Big one. Nice.
What were you asking me earlier?
What?
What were you asking me earlier?
I don't know. Fat? That's common, right?
Yeah, right at like clockwork at sunset on the frickin', check that out. He put up a heck of a fight too. On the bitsy minnow right there. I mean what is it called? I forgot. Dude, there we go, all right. Let's get him gone. On. All right, dude, let's catch some more. Yo. Yeah, I got it. Common. This time on the Wi-Fi jungle jig.
Oh, sweet. How far back?
Like in the deepest cut you could imagine.
Nice.
On the Wi-Fi.
On the jungle jig, man.
Yep.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, let's get a doubled up picture. We gotta get this doubled up shot.
On jungle jig, on jungle jig, on jungle jig. Yeah.
Doubled up in jungle jig. All right, doubled up on the weedless rigs and the snook. All right, guys, let's get them going here. All right. 1 second, I'm down. See you later, buddy. He's swimming right by you. Sun is setting. Man, we fished all freaking day. We did all right though there at the end. The snook, man, let me tell you guys now. Snook fishing without science is a waste of time. Best meme I ever saw on Instagram, and yeah, so true. It's ridiculous. I can't even begin to. We fish for 5-6 hours, not a peep all day. Sun starts going down. We catch like 7 snook. That's the way she goes, guys. But hey, thank you guys so much for viewing the video. We didn't catch a sword spine, so that means the mission is ongoing. So stay tuned for more, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all take it easy.